This is a quick video from Geek Advisor on how to set up dark mode on your computer. This will make most of your windows inside of Windows 10 into a dark or gray color. Dark mode allows you to save some life on your battery on your laptop, and it's also good for your eyes. I like it a lot for my eyes. Alright, let's go ahead and right click on the desktop. Let's go down to Personalize. Let's go over to Colors, left click on Colors. And let's go down until we find Light and Dark. Let's go ahead and click on Dark. And you'll see that it makes the screen dark. It'll do that for quite a bit of the screens, the application screens. Makes them dark instead of light. Now it doesn't work on everything, like browsers and like Chrome or Firefox are going to require extensions or themes to make those dark. And we'll do that in a future video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.